This is the TYCO lighted signal crossing in HO scale with flashing light and warning bell. The light blinks and the bell rings as the train passes. You can see the key clearly. You just wind it clockwise, and when it stops winding, you let it go and wait for the train to come around. Okay, you can see the bell, and there's a wind-up mechanism. At the top of the screen, you can see that there's a weight and there's a pendulum, and it pivots in the case there. And the black plastic piece that goes over top of that is actually a stop. When the weight of the train comes over the track, it will lift that and allow the spring action to have its effect on the pendulum and start ringing the bell. There are two contacts underneath that will then alternate between the two lights on the crossbuck. All electromechanical operation, no transistors, no resistors, no capacitors to dry out and go bad. Appears to be a receipt from Hobbies Unlimited on December 27th, 1982. $9.80, another 30 cents of tax. As you can see, there's no electronics here. There are components that are made overseas, and supposedly they're marked. But otherwise, I guess it was assembled in Morristown, New Jersey, is where TYCO was located. Of course, HO is running on DC current, but if you had some sort of operation where you were using AC current, it's just an incandescent bulb, as far as I could see. So you probably wouldn't have too much trouble with the lights not working. It's supposed to be glow in the dark on the pavement markings, but I'm not sure if they really have much life left in them. So what I did is just put number 6 washer underneath here. These are rubber grommeted. You can see that wire and the contacts. I guess it's basically closing the circuit every time it strikes. There's 2, 1 for each side, each lane.